How to add motion blur in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where your timeline is located. Select the clip you want to apply motion blur to. Next, switch to the Fusion page by clicking on the Fusion tab at the bottom of the screen. This will open the clip in the Fusion workspace where you can add advanced effect. In Fusion, you will see two nodes, the Media In node and the Media Out node. Select the Media In node, then press Shift plus spacebar to bring up the tool source window. Type Vector Motion Blur in the source bar and select it from the list. Then click Add. This node will add the motion blur effect based on the movement in your clip. Connect the Vector Motion Blur node between Media In and Media Out by dragging the output of Media In to the input of Vector Motion Blur and then connect the output of Vector Motion Blur to Media Out. Now, adjust the settings in the inspector panel on the right. You can tweak several settings to get a smoother result. But keep in mind that higher quality settings may increase rendering time. Once you are happy with the effect, return to the edit page to preview your clip with the motion blur applied. If needed, you can go back to Fusion and adjust the settings further. And that's it. Now you know how to add motion blur in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.